Hey everyone, it's Jody from Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures here. Today we're going to show you guys our Sumo Springs from Supersprings International. Stay tuned. Alright, so we have our base plates and our spacers. We're going to use two on ours like Bronco did. Got these U-bolts, I guess you'd like a better term, or U things. You got your nuts, you got your washer. One of the nuts is over here for this one, so I had to figure out which one it belonged to. Got a couple washers that fit between the nut and the plate itself up here. So it'd be these two, the nut, then washer, the nut, each one of these holes. Then you have with the long bolts, so it comes with three different bolts. So if you're not going to use spacers, you use the shorter ones. Since we're using two spacers, we're using the long ones. We go into the bottom of this. It comes with a thing of Loctite. We'll use a 5mm Allen head to get these bolts in. Then we got a 9/16 wrench to get these bolts down, nuts down. So that's pretty much it. You know, I don't know what else to say. It's pretty easy. If you watch Bronco's video, you pretty much saw the whole process. So should be a quick and easy install. All right, easiest way I figured how to do this: put the spring upside down, put the spacers in, put the plate on top, put the button. You want to give it a little room so you can adjust it. So we're going to fit it on there and see how it fits. Try to see if we can get the spring to where we want it, and come back, maybe tighten up a little bit more before we bolt this in. So, all right, so that's how it looks. I'm thinking when it articulates, it's going to go that way just a little bit. Because if it articulates out, if it's going straight up, it should hit it perfectly fine. You'll notice here that we moved these brake lines and stuff to the rear of it. So that way it won't rub or get caught any of the stuff there. You know, we took the rock jock sway bar off because it wasn't working good, so to put this on. So we think this should be a good good combination. So let us know what you guys think. And this is the passenger side. We're gonna go do the driver's side in just a moment. Yeah, you just want to pull those brake lines to where they're not getting squashed whenever it comes down, which it shouldn't be coming down that much anyway. All right, they're on. We went with blue. All right, well, they look nice. We'll just have to wait and see how they perform. There's a significant gap even with the two spacers, so I'm not sure how that's going to play out. It's about, I don't know, about 5-inch gap maybe, 4 or 5-inch gap between the top of the spacer and the frame as it sets on flat surface. So, not sure if that'll make a difference. That means it won't be tall enough. I guess we'll find out soon. From the other side, another quick look. All right, well, as we close out with some live action footage here, just want to thank everybody for watching. We really appreciate you guys and gals. We really hope you guys can consider hitting that like and subscribe button. We got more stuff to come very soon, so hope you'll be with us. Thank you so much.